Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy UniSwap. So the first thing you want to do is just click on the link down in the description, and we are going to buy it through Binance. If you're gonna click through the link, you will get 5% lower fees. So you can create an account, you just add your email, password, and as you can see your commission kickback rate is 5%. And now I will just add here UniSwap. And you see it here, uni, and I can go simply to trade. On a search, I'm going to write uni, and you see it here, UniSwap. And voila, this is how you can do it. So you just add a boo uni with a price, like, I don't know, amount 1000. Or you can simply go with and buy with BNB, USDT, completely up to you which one you're going to choose. But this is how you can simply buy UniSwap. And as I mentioned, you got 5% low kickback rate on commission when you're going to click through the link down in the description. And Binance got one of the best fees on the market. So, yep. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya. So, yep.